get started, we're gonna need to cut this paper rolls. You could always use toilet paper rolls if you want, because those are already pre-cutted the size that you need. So you need to measure where this is. Then you mark it here. You always want to ask an adult for help with this part because sometimes measuring tape could be a little bit sharp. Now, I'm gonna put a little starter hole in here so I could cut my scissors around. You're almost done, you could just... There it is, a perfect little shape. Okay, now you need some tissue paper once you're done cutting it out. And you want it just like a square amount where you could just put it on and glue it on. You want to add an extra layer so it's extra strong so you can fill it up with extra prizes. Subscribe-a-dee-doo! Now you want to make the handles, and how you want to do it. Pick any color you want, guys. I'm going to tell you, go crazy with the art. Okay, so what you want to do is that you want to fold this like 3 times. Now that you're ready to cut it out, since it's all crinkly and you have those creases and where you know where to cut it out, and it's a perfect size, you could do it now. Yay! Now we want to glue it on the bottom side, not on the top, guys, because that's going to be our punching piñatas part. Okay. So now we're gonna put a type of paper on it so we could at least not just have brown. So you want to glue one end, and you always want to make it just a tiny bit bigger than your tube so we could just cover everything up. We were using gift wrap, but you could use anything you want. Now we're gonna wrap all of them. I'm gonna now add some extra fun with some Pokeball and also a Minnie Mouse and me. So, okay. This is all glued. Put this Minnie Mouse on. There we go. Now, I'm going to fill it with candy and prizes. You can fill it up with anything. But for me, we're going to just do candy and little things. Okay, let's keep filling it up. This looks extra fun. Yay! 3, 2, 1, open! Oh my God. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this nice party video. If you don't need a copyright, go crazy with it. Hope you guys love this video. Make it whatever you want. Okay, what theme would you make? Hope you guys enjoyed this nice and party video. Can't wait to see you on my next craft video. Bye! Oh my gosh.